lang ah.
Okay, sir.
Dumating dito.
Pababa lang konti yung mic.
Dumating dito yung mga coaches sila Tab Baldwin, Deacon Castaños, and Fernandez, and other officials. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang fact-finding namin. They gave their narration of events. There are some inconsistencies between what the players said and what the coaches said. Pero hindi pa kami tapos, so wala pa kami nabibigay na comment hanggang matapos natin. Though si Father Bobby, who is the president of the university, graduation sa atin ngayon kaya hindi siya makarating. But he is subpoenaed for Thursday next week.
What striking inconsistency did you see, sir?
In the heat of it all kasi, yung nangyari ang lahat. Ibang accounts ng players, ibang accounts ng coaches. Kasi ibang vantage points, iba yung mga players nasa dagat, yung mga coaches nasa pangpang. So, doon lang, kinukuha lang namin yung mga full details, tapos gagawa kami ng conclusive report.